The Long Island iced tea is a strong and delicious cocktail that tastes like sweetened iced tea. You will need the following ingredients: half an ounce tequila. Any good quality tequila works. Half an ounce vodka. Use a smooth vodka for best results. Half an ounce white rum. A light rum is ideal. Half an ounce gin. Choose a dry gin. Half an ounce triple sec, for a hint of orange citrus flavor. 1 ounce fresh lemon juice. Freshly squeezed is best. 1 ounce. Simple syrup. Equal parts sugar and water. Splash cola to top off the drink. Garnish lemon wedge for added flavor and presentation. For equipment you will need shaker, highball glass, strainer, jigger, bar spoon. Here are the instructions. Fill your shaker with ice. Add the tequila, vodka, white rum, gin, triple sec, lemon juice, and simple syrup to the shaker. Shake well until the mixture is well chilled. Fill a highball glass with ice. Strain the mixture into the highball glass. Top off the drink with a splash of cola. Gently stir with a bar spoon to combine. Garnish with a lemon wedge on the rim of the glass. Despite its name, the Long Island iced tea contains no tea at all. Its name comes from the similar color to iced tea, and it's believed to have been invented during Prohibition to disguise the alcohol.